Are you looking to boost your PC's performance? Let's talk upgrades. One of the first things to consider is the graphics processing unit, or GPU. An upgraded GPU can dramatically improve gaming and visual experiences. Next up is RAM. Increasing your RAM can help manage multitasking better. More RAM means smoother performance, especially for demanding applications. Don't forget about your storage. Upgrading to an SSD can speed things up significantly. Solid-state drives load programs faster and reduce boot times. So, which upgrade should you prioritize? It often depends on your needs. If you're a gamer, the GPU is likely your top priority. For general usage and multitasking, consider RAM next. And remember, upgrading storage can also provide a huge boost to speed. In summary, focus on upgrades that align with your specific use case. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you choose the right upgrade.